Okay, guys, we are going to play another game of blackjack here. This is going to be a 2-3-5 method. So now I'm going to do this with black chips. So I'm going to be playing in a couple of weeks. I'm going to be going to Las Vegas showing live content, guys. Make sure if you're not going to subscribe to the channel, you're not going to want to miss the live content that I'm going to have recorded playing. I'm going to show some black chip levels of different ways of playing. But today we're going to practice out a little bit. I'm going to show you how I do my 2-3-5 betting style. So I start off with $200. That's what I'm going to start off with today. We go 200, 300, 500. You can do this at any level. You can do this at green chip level as well. Basically, it's the exact same concept. All you're doing is just changing the coloration of chips. If you're playing quarters, you go 2, 3, 5. You're playing red chips. That'd be a $10 table. But same thing, 2 units, 3 units, 5 units. We're going to try out, see how it goes for us today. I've already got the deck shuffled. We're going to do a burn card. And here we go. We're going to try it out. The goal here, I started with $2,000. Can I make $1,000? So can I turn 2,000 into 3,000? We're going to see how it goes. And let's try it out. Here we go. All right, let's get started. All right, so we have a 19 against a 6. That's a stay. 8, 18, so that's a pay. Okay. So again, we're going to go from 200. We're going to stack it to go to 300 and put the rest back. That there. All right, so the first, hey, starting off the first one with a win. That's absolutely great. 17 against an 8. That's a stay. 14, 15. Too many. Okay, so you won 2. So then from here, you go straight to 5. All right, you go straight to 5. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making it look like 500. And remember, I've already collected 1. That's my second collect. So essentially right now I'm in, I've taken care of my original bet. I'm out of the hand. Actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Sorry, make sure I was right. So basically I'm out of the hand. I started with $200. I've already collected that. Now that $500 bet is absolutely free. Playing that bet for $500 for free. So let's see how we do. Not doing too good. He had a 313 against a 9. You got to hit that. All right, so we have a 19 against a 9. That's a stay. What do we have here? We have 16, 18. That's a win. $500, guys, just like that. So that's 500. So what am I going to do from that point? I go back down and regress back down to 200. But if you look, again, our goal was to make $1,000. That was the goal. Let's just see now. Let's do a quick recap. We should be there. Let's make sure. That's 500, 1,000. That's 1,500. That's 2,000. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, let me count that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got extra chips here. No wonder. Boom! I knew something was off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5, 5, 5, 5. Make sure it's all right. So let's do that again. Now let's count it up. Oh, as I'm spilling chips here, leaning over. Okay, that's my initial starting bankroll. I got 500, 1,000. So I just turned 2,000 into 3,000 in literally 3 hands. So that was pretty quick. So let's do that again, right? So again, I'm going to call that a win. We did it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a reset, right? Let's try. Let's just say, okay, I took a break for, an hour. I'm going to go back at it again. Again, I'm going to lock in that $1,000 profit. I'm going to do it again, start at 200 and see how it goes, okay? Here we go. So 12 against an 8, you got to hit. 22, that's a loss, right? Okay, against an 18, that doesn't matter. Again, this is round 2 after you've already locked in a little bit of money. See how we do. Oh, let's do our bet. Don't forget that. All right, 16 against a 9. You got to hit. 19, stay. 13. Oh, 18. That's a win. Okay, so it's a win of 2. Again, it goes to 2, right? We're actually going to bet it at 3 units and then rack that one there. Okay. All right, here we go. Still got a new card slide here. So 17 against a 10. That's still a stay. Flip it. 14. Too many. Perfect. Okay, that's 3. So again, I go 2, 3, and 5. Let's see how we do here. Rack that one back. Remember, my $200, which was my initial bet, is already back in my rack. Now, basically, I had a $500 bet for free. Let's shake these things down a little bit. And here we go. Oh, starting with a 6. 16 against a 6. You know what? That's a bust card. That's a stay. 10. Oh, gosh. We don't want to see it, do we? Oh, 17 is still a loss. Okay. Not too good, all right? But that's okay. And you risked $200, right? When you risked $200, you played that, you lost it, but that's okay. You got your $200 back in your rack. That $500 loss was a profit, basically free bet, if you want to call it that way, okay? All right, here we go. Come on, blackjack. 18. So 18 against a 3. You could double this if you want to. It's up to you if you want to double. You know what? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. It depends on where I'm at with my bankroll. But you can double that. We're going to double it. Sometimes you put it behind. Sometimes you put it to the side. Depends on what casino you're at. We're going to do it face down. It's only one hit. Let's see if we get the dealer to bust here. 7, 11. Oh, gosh. 12. Okay. 22. Boom. See here? Doesn't even matter. You bust. Dealer bust. So you double down here, which is perfect. Right? So pays here and pays here. So remember, we go 2, 3, 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rack the rest here, go to 3, and rack the best rest back in the back right there. Again, I'm looking just for it to go up to $1,000. I want $1,000 profit, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, let's see here. Still quick count. 5, 10, 15. That's 19. No, we're not there yet. We're not there. We still got a little ways. Here we go. All right, 11 against a 7. Guys, that's always a double. You have to double this. So you can put to the side, to the back, depends on which casino you're at. We're going to tell them face down. We're not going to look at it, see if the dealer will bust, if they allow that. 17. So how we do? Boom, 21, just like that. All right, let's see here. 3 and 3. We may be just a little bit short. Let's see how we are. Again, the goal is to win $1,000. So that's our initial starting bankroll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're 200 short. Okay, it's 200 short. Let's see if we can take that 200 right there and win this one. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. All right, that's a start. 20. Guess a 19. That's a stay. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, 20. That's a push. All right, that's okay. I hate to see a push on a 20, but that's part of it. Okay, so still got a $200 bet. There we go. All right, another jack. 13. I guess a 3. The bust card, technically. That's a stay. Let's see if we can. Oh, 10. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. 20. No way. Okay, so we lose this one. So this comes back. And let's see how we do here, guys. Let's just keep it at that. Let's go back out there for 200. So we know we still got a little bit of work to do here. Not going to martingale this. Just 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. If you lose it, you go back out to the original, okay? Here we go. Got a bust card, which is a 5. That's a stay. So let's stay. 15, 25. Okay. So we win that 200 back. All right. Just like that. Right. So again, what we're going to do, we're going to go to a $300 bet. Put that one in the back. All right. And here we go. Let's do it. Got a 9, 14, 15. 15 against a 2. That's technically a that's a bust card. That's a no hit here. 10. Oh gosh, it's coming. Oh, 16. Let's go. 26. Boom. Check us out. Let's get another black. Let's get another black chip. Okay, here we go. Perfect. That's a win. So now that should secure us, right? That should secure another $1,000 profit if we do that. So let's take a look. You got that's 500. That's 500 plus 1. That's $1,100 profit. Just like that, guys. Not even halfway through the shoe. We did 2 rounds of it. The first round we made $1,000. We reset. Second round we made $1,100. I will take that. Heads up. I found out that heads up blackjack to me seems a lot better than playing with 3 or 4 or 5, even a full table. You're in charge of your decisions. Basically, you're going to get the cards or the dealer's going to get the cards. So it could be like a battle back and forth. In this case, this half of the shoe here, it definitely went to our favor, so that's always a nice deal. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the content. Please make sure, If you want to see live content starting next week, I'm going to be in Vegas posting it in a few weeks thereafter. Live content. I'm going to be playing black chip levels just like this. I'm going to play in maybe a little go off the grid. I don't know. We're going to see how we do. Hopefully it works out just like this session. If not, I hope you enjoy the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. Make sure notifications and comment down below. Until next time, mark the point and stay awesome.